This is how to buy USDT on Binance. In this video, I will walk you through multiple ways you can easily buy USDT on Binance. Let me show you. I'll be showing you how to buy USDT using my Binance app. For you to buy USDT on Binance, you tap Home on your Binance app, Home. So you click Add Funds, Add Fund. This is where you are coming to. You don't have cryptos asset. That is why you want to buy USDT. I will walk you through how to buy stablecoin with your credit card or debit card, and I will show you how to do this via peer-to-peer transaction. The first thing we do is this: you buy with USD P2P. You tap it. P2P implies peer-to-peer. That implies that you are going to liaise with somebody that has USDT stablecoin on Binance. You will release your money to the person, and this person will release the USDT stablecoin to your wallet. This is how it will work. The first thing you need to set when you get to this place for you to buy USDT on Binance is to tap amount. When you tap amount, this one will come out. You are going to type the value of USDT you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy for $10. The amount you want to buy is here. You can click and you can type. You click confirm. As soon as you confirm, you setting the amount you want to buy, that will help you to generate the list of people that are ready to sell from $10 and above currently at this time on Binance. Look at this. USD from $10 to 1,952. That is what this person is ready to sell. Some people, their limit is from $100, from $300. So all these lists like this, they are ready to sell for you, and these are the rates they will give you for every dollar. A dollar worth 1 USD will earn you over 1 USDT value. That is extra of 0.013. So you have to make your choice. Another thing you need to set is payment. For instance, suppose we decide to choose this person, you have to make a payment. So you have to choose how you will pay this person. So for you to know the payment method that is available for any of these people, you click payment. This is all the payment method available. There are many of them, so many. Your own is to choose which payment method is available in your country. You can type your country here. So you have so many payment methods. You have AirTM, you have Banco, you have banks, you have different payment methods from different payment gateways. But this is my top recommendation, AirTM. You can easily make payment on Binance to buy USDT or any crypto at all. Suppose you choose AirTM, you just click confirm to confirm your payment method. These are two people that will sell from $10 and above, and they are ready to accept AirTM payment from you. So as soon as you are ready, you set the amount, you stated the payment method you have, you click buy. As soon as you click buy, this is the amount, this is payment method. For you to send this $10 to this person on Binance, you just click place order. You click place order. I already click place order. You make sure you read all these conditions. You acknowledge I've read, then you click confirm. You are going to see the email address of where you are going to send the money to on AirTM. So all you need to do is to quickly come to AirTM platform. This is my AirTM platform. If you are new to AirTM, this is one of the best payment gateway. You see the link below the description of this video. If you use that link, you get free $3 sign up bonus. As soon as you create and open your account and you have money in your wallet, you just come to payment. You click send. This is where you put the amount. You key in the email address that you will get from the peer on Binance. The person you get his email address. You write the note if it's required that from you on Binance for payment. Then you click continue. As long as you have the money here, as soon as you transfer this money to this person will release your $10 to your wallet. And when you click your asset, you see the value of 10 USDT in your account. Another option to buy USDT on Binance is this. I will walk you through how to buy stablecoin with your credit card or debit card. So you tap buy with USD, buy with USD. You'll be using either your debit card or credit card. Suppose you want to buy USDT that worth $20. You key in $20. You can see when you key in $20 through this method, you will get $19 plus worth of USDT. You will use either your debit card or your credit card, either Visa or Mastercard. For you to set up your card, you click card. The first thing you need to do will be To set up your card, you tap this place, you confirm here, confirm. You click add new card. Especially if you don't have card before, you have to add a new card. You can add as much as 5 cards on Binance. You click add card. Automatically by default your name will be populated on the first name, last name. All you need to do is to add your card number, your city, postal code and country. Then you confirm. It is seamless. The transaction will go smoothly and this $20 will be added to your USDT under your asset. But let me show you something. I recommend you use Pay International Dollar Card. You can fund this card with cryptos. Currently, a promo is ongoing. You can claim $100 if you use my link, which is below the description of this video. But on a normal day and in the future, you may be watching this video later, you have a gift of $5 by default. This is how to fund the card by Binance. So as soon as you add your card, you follow the process. It is seamless. You instantly get the value of this USDT under your asset in your wallet. What do you think? You can now buy USDT very fast on Binance using your debit card, credit card or P2P. My name is John. If this video has added value to you, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.